What up, everybody? Inner Collector here, aka the G.I. Joe Collector. Destro, I got your package, bro. I turned it upside down so no addresses can be shown. So this is kind of fun. So I'm excited. Let's see what we got in this package, shall we, guys? Let's do it. Or you know what I could do? Hang on a minute. Hold on a minute, guys. Let's see. Instead of doing it, hold on a minute, guys. 1 second. Let me get this. Get some of these things out of here real quick. Let me get the okay, let's see here. Okay. Alrighty, guys. I have taken everything, ripped everything up. Okay, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Sorry, I had to get some things written off. So, let's open her up here, guys. Let's get this sucker ripped open here. Alrighty. Alrighty. There we go. It is fully opened. Oh my goodness. Wow. So the first thing I got is I got an extra Dusty. So I'm gonna keep him on card. I finally got one and I can keep one on card. Thank you again, my friend Destro. And not only that, boom, I got my other Viper. I'll show you a full on thing here on it. Ooh, I got some good packaging material, guys, so that's even better. Oh, wow. Now this is cool. Wow, even on real life, this thing looks so awesome. Oh, wow. Wowee. Yeah, this is a pretty good looking baroness. Really good looking baroness here. Oh, yeah. I'm very happy what I got. Thank you, my friend Destro. Let me show you what we got. Let me show you. So check that out, guys. Look at there. We got the baroness in the coil cycle. And we got my extra Dusty, which I'm very excited I got him on card. And my Cobra Viper, Crimson Viper. So, all videos of this one and this one coming soon. And that tells you right there, guys. I got some good looking friends. Later, everybody. Have a good one.